Hi everyone, welcome back to Chel's Treasures. In this vlog, I'm bringing you to Manila for our 3-day training, right in the middle of the rainy season with typhoons forming left and right. But even with the gloomy weather, this trip turned into a blend of learning, city lights, and little adventures that made the week memorable. So come along with me.
Airlines welcomes you here in Manila. Time check for your convenience, it's exactly 26 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. And today's November 3, 2025 on a Monday.
We flew out on a Monday morning. After landing and settling into our dorm rooms, we didn't waste any time. We headed straight out to explore. And where else do you go first? Mall of Asia, already dressed in full Christmas spirit. The Christmas village, the lights, the giant displays, everything felt warm and festive despite the weather. We spent the rest of the day just walking around MOA, taking photos, shooting clips, and enjoying the place that somehow always feels alive. One afternoon, we had the chance to visit San Agustin Church. We were able to attend Mass, a quiet and peaceful pause in the middle of busy Manila. For our last night, some of our friends had tickets to watch the Shrek musical at Newport World Resorts. We tagged along, not to watch but to stroll, explore, and enjoy the night. And then we found something so very Manila, a Vendo machine for branded perfumes. For 10 pesos, you get one spray of high-end scents. And as someone from the province, of course, we had to try it. It felt so funny and cute. Only in Manila. We continued walking around the Newport Mall, beautifully decorated for Christmas. Lots of lights, lots of spots to take photos. Manila really knows how to make the holidays feel grand. For dinner, we went for Japanese food, something comforting after a long day. After dinner, our friends went inside the theater for the musical, while we stayed outside and explored more of the Newport complex. We ended the night with snacks and warm drinks at Mary Grace, that cozy home-style cafe that always feels like a warm hug after a long day. A perfect quiet ending to our Manila night. The next morning, we were back at Terminal 3. And one thing's for sure, the airport is slowly adapting to the world. Most of the counters are now self-service. You check in at the kiosk, print your boarding pass and luggage tags, and simply drop your bags. No attendants, no long lines. Manila is slowly stepping into the future. Another typhoon was approaching, so we were lucky to fly out in time. Goodbye, rainy Manila. And just like that, we're back in Ozamis, greeted by warm sunshine. Thank you so much for joining me on this Manila trip. The little adventures, Christmas sightings, late night strolls, and all the small moments in between. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chel's Treasures. See you in the next travel, the next story, and the next moment worth keeping. Bye!